Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw Tips and Tricks, part 2 of this. I wasn't planning on making a part 2, but somebody, and I knew this would happen, but I didn't think about people wanting to print on a shirt. And a gentleman, he sent me different text and I didn't use it. I used my original. So I have it looks good there, but when you put a yellow background or if he was going to print on a blue shirt and he changed the text to white, this looks bad because it's like that. So the way to fix that, I've got my nudge factor set on 20. I'm going to move that out of the way. And you can see it's just in our ball. It's not in our text. So the way around that is that if you remember, we have a 15-inch ball. We're going to make a 15-inch circle. Got my ratio locked, so it'll all be 15 inches, not 5. 15. Well, if I hit my numbers lock off, that's what it does. Then I'm going to hit P because that's where we started. If you didn't do that, you would need to do this maybe first or 2 copies. But then we're going to select both these guys. Well, before I do that, let me do this. Let me take that circle away. I'm just going to nudge it out of the way. So if we take this and go up to Object and Group and ungroup it, and then get rid of the white. When we move this up, let me group this together, Control G. When we move it up, you can see both sets of letters. So we need to take away the original set. So I'm going to put this back to where it was. I'm going to grab both sets and I'm going to trim it. And trim is going to take out that center part. Now I'm going to go over here and actually select that again and right click or right click no outline, and then I can move that up and look at that. We're back to that. Now if he wanted to do on a blue shirt, we would make all our text. Okay, maybe that won't work like that. Let's try this again. Let's move this out of the way. Yeah, there we go, and make the text white. It just looked funny, I guess. Now we're going to make this blue like on a deep blue shirt. And that will look pretty cool with whatever text you're thinking about using. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit, answered his question, and thank you for watching.